In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a single sheet in Google Sheets. Sharing a complete spreadsheet can sometimes reveal more information than you intended. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to share just one sheet from your Google Sheets document. Whether you're working on a collaborative project, managing data, or simply need to share a specific part of your spreadsheet, the steps are quite simple. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. If it's not already open, just head over to your Google Drive, find the file you need, and click it to open. Once you have your sheet open, take a look at the tabs located at the bottom of your screen. These tabs represent each sheet within your current spreadsheet document. Identify the specific tab that contains the data you want to share. Next, hover over this tab and give it a right click. Doing so will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Copy To option. This will offer you the choice to copy your selected sheet to a new spreadsheet or an existing one. In our case, we want to choose New Spreadsheet. By doing this, you're creating a brand new Google Sheets document that only contains the data from the selected sheet. Once the copying process is complete, you'll see a prompt that offers you the option to open the new spreadsheet. Click on Open Spreadsheet to proceed. This takes you to a new tab in your browser with a fresh spreadsheet document. Here, you'll find the exact data from your selected sheet, but now it's in its very own file. This segregation ensures your colleagues or partners can only access the data you intended to share. Now, with your new spreadsheet open, you'll probably want to give it an intuitive name. Click on the title located at the top left, and a box will appear, allowing you to rename it as desired. Having a clear and concise name will help you and others keep track of the file more easily, especially if you manage multiple sheets. Finally, you're ready to share your new spreadsheet. In the top right corner, you'll notice a bright blue Share button. Click this, and a sharing dialog will appear. Here, you can enter the email addresses of people you want to share the spreadsheet with. You can also adjust their permissions, choosing between options such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Once you've entered the necessary information, hit Send, and your sheet will be on its way. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully shared a single sheet from your Google Sheets document. This method ensures you maintain privacy and control over the information you choose to share. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!